Do you have dingy, stained towels like mine? Or maybe yours barely absorb water anymore. It's normal for towels to soak up some of the detergents and products we wipe on them over time, but it's time to change that. So I'm going to go ahead and strip my towels to remove the buildup on the towels and reveal fresh white towels. First, fill a tub half full with hot water and drop your clean clothes or towels in it. Remember to only put the same color and fabric type together when doing this. Add 2 cups of powdered laundry detergent, a fourth a cup of heavy-duty borax, 1/4 cup of Arm & Hammer washing soda, and 1/4 cup of Callaghan. Mix it well until it has dissolved. And look how dirty this water already is from my clean towels after just mixing them. Let it sit for 4 hours and check back in every hour to mix. Hour 1. Mix and watch it start removing all that gunk. Hour 2. Mix and watch again. Wow. Hour 3. Mix it and observe. This is crazy. Hour 4. Mix, scrub any remaining stains, and then drain the tub. You've got to be kidding me how gross this is. Squeeze out any excess water and transfer the towels to a bucket to carry them to the washing machine. Drop it in the washing machine and do not add any detergent. Run a regular hot cycle and dry as normal. And look at the before and after of these towels. My towels are softer, whiter, and so much cleaner looking and feeling. I removed most of the stains and they are now looking like brand new. Follow for more cleaning tips and see caption for product information.